All right, we made it to the brand new playground at Sesame Place. All right, where can I grab a bite to eat? Hey everybody, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we're here at Sesame Place Philadelphia, right in front of the brand new 123 playground, and this is our Let's Eat at Sesame Place. Now, what are we going to do in this video? We're going to go through all the different food options you have when you're here at Sesame Place, and we break them down into 4 different categories. If you look over to your right, you're going to see that the first one is Signature. Now, this is like the main place that you want to go. If you're looking for a bite to eat and you're looking for something with a diverse menu, something that's not the typical burgers and pizzas and stuff like that, that would be a Signature restaurant. The next one is going to be basically waitstaff. It's pretty much you sit down, you have a menu, you read off the menu, a waitress takes your order. Those are kind of rare when you come to an amusement park. The third category is what you're mostly going to see, which is the quick serve, where you walk up, the menu is basically hanging in front of you, you order the pizza, and you basically take it back with you. And last but not least is snack bars, and sometimes you actually do have regular bars. And those will be broken down in that category. So sit back and relax. If you want to know about all the different places that you can eat when you're here at Sesame Place Philadelphia, that's what this video is all about. All right, so if you're hungry and right there's a show stage and you need a quick bite to eat, right here is ABC Eats. So with ABC Eats, this actually has a fairly basic menu, but they do have something here that they don't have other places. And if you look there, they got buffalo chicken mac and cheese for $15.79, 3 cheese mac and cheese for $13.69, kids mac and cheese for $10.50. You might as well just get the big one there. But right there is the big thing, the round personal pizza, which is brand new for this year. This is the only place you can get it, which is the ABC Eats. And they got a nice little area here where you can sit and relax, or you can sit on the floor here and actually enjoy the show. Now, we're here in July, so of course you know it's Christmas in July, so they have their Christmas dance party 3 times a day. But if you're looking for personal pizzas, right there at ABC Eats. All right, so we're over here right in the Elmo's World section there, and there's a sign that says Coffee Corner. So right over here, you would actually, it's part of the pizza kitchen. You actually go inside there and you can order coffee also. And right there it says Coffee Corner. And right here it is right next to the pizza area. As you come over here, they've got Starbucks. So they got coffee, they got espresso, iced beverages, handcrafted espressos and all that. They even have the Refreshers iced beverages there with mango dragon fruit and stuff. And they also have some soft serve. So pretty much nestled in the Elmo's Pizza Kitchen is actually the Coffee Corner. So if you need a little pick-me-up, that's where you want to go. All right, so when you leave the Count's Castle area there, first place you're going to hit is Big Bird's Burgers and Bites. Yet again, they do a lot of mobile ordering, but you can come over here and you can actually check out the entire thing. So this whole back area here is mobile pickups here. But if you actually want to just come on in and actually get things, you come over this way. I do like the theming here, but you can actually walk on in there and they actually have the different entrees and stuff that you can choose from. So as you look over here, the main thing here is the hot honey fried chicken sandwich for $18.89. You have a bacon cheeseburger. You also have Beyond Burger, which is the plant-based burgers. They have chicken tenders, garden salad, and a Caesar wrap. And they have all the kids stuff here. But the one thing I saw a second ago, they have a Big Bird cupcake, and that should pop up in a second here. Yep, there you go. So that is the Big Bird cupcake there, and those are $7.39. And of course you get your drink cups here. So here you can actually get the burgers here. You grab the burgers here, pick up 1, 2, 3, and then you actually can add your burger toppings right here too. So you can fix it the way you want, and beverages here. So this is available seating upstairs also. So, but this is Big Bird's Burgers and Bites. All right, right over here in the front of the park, right by the Sunny Day Carousel, and of course Vapor Trail, which is one of the most popular. And of course, just like most other parks, you got yourself 2 things right here. The first thing right here is the Dippin' Dots. Where let's see if they have anything special here. Looks like their biggest thing here is the Froziti dough. I haven't seen that at other places. So that's the Dippin' Dots. But right over here by the Dine with Elmo, you come over to the other side here, and you actually have a snack bar. Now this snack bar doesn't really have a name. Snacks and Beverages it's called. And the big thing here is popcorn buckets and chips and water, sodas. pretty much it's all about free refills with popcorn. So that's where you find it, right over here by the Elmo meet and greet. All right, so we're in a Big Bird's Bay here, Big Bird's Beach. And right over here, they actually have tables set up here, which means there's got to be a food place. So right over here is Abby's Pizza Express. There it is, Big Bird's Beach. So this is Abby's Pizza Express, where you can actually mobile order and get your food right there. And like I said, they have plenty of seating. And as we head over here, it's also Abby's Backyard Barbecue. So you have the barbecue and you have the pizza. So when you're at Big Bird's Beach, you have those options right there where you can mobile order and then bring those food right on out to you here. So what I kind of like is the fact that you actually got two different options. You got the Backyard Barbecue, and then you also have the mobile pizza ordering and stuff like that. And really, what's really neat about this is you're right up against the lazy river. So but look at all the seating. It's kind of rare that you see this much seating, but this is where you want to be, and everything's mobile ordering here. All right, so we're about halfway done with our Let's Eat at Sesame Place video. And if you got this far, that means you kind of like our content. So definitely make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Simple click for you means a lot to us. And let's continue and let you know all the different things that you can eat while you're here at Sesame Place Philadelphia. All right, so we're back here in the main section here. Right there is Vapor Trail, right there is the carousel. But this is the Let's Eat. So right here is a Dine with Elmo and Friends. So they actually have 3 of these a day. Now, you know, always check because they're always going to have this placard. You can see they can add more times on the weekends. But 11:30, 1:30, and 4 o'clock. So basically, we're going to show you real quick here the food aspect. And then we're actually coming back here a little bit later to actually show you the part of the show and stuff here. But what you want to do is as soon as you come here, you want to come over here and you want to scan to book. So you're going to hit that QR code, and that's how you're going to order and stuff. And then when you come in here, you can come in about half hour ahead of time, and you can see they actually have assigned tables and stuff like that, number 12, number 24, and all that kind of stuff here. And then when you come over here, they actually have the different food bays, and we're going to show you that real quick here. Yet again, Sesame Place has given me great access today. Huge fan of Sesame Place and their management team for letting us do stuff here, but this is cold stuff. And let me darken that up a little bit here so you guys can see a little bit better. They got fruits, they got different kind of pastas and stuff like that. They got salads and all that. For the hot foods here, you got wings, you got mac and cheese, tater tots. They got tater tots, people. It looks like sweet potato tots, which is even better. And all that. And you got some pasta, you got turkey and all that kind of stuff here. And of course, you always got to have some sweet stuff here. So they actually have desserts. They got Christmas cookies because this is Christmas in July, which is their main theme. They got some cakes, they got some pies, and of course they got some looks like snowman cupcakes and stuff. So this is the food aspect of it here. And then right here in the center they actually have a stage where the characters are going to come out, and like I said, if you want to see the characters, definitely check out our showtime over at Sesame Place, where we're actually going to show you part of the show. But this is the Dining with Elmo and Friends, 3 times a day, sometimes 4, so make sure you check the schedule. Well worth it. All right, so we're back here by Count's Castle, and there's a couple little food areas here. So yet again, we're here on a Thursday, so some of these things are closed. But in particular, right here's another snack and beverage where you can get water and churros. And then they have some table seating here, so that's not bad. But then of course, if you're going to be right here by the, let's see, that bucket goes down. I always love when the bucket goes down. But you got a lot of seating here, so you figure there'll be some more food areas here. But it is a nice little warm day. It's not super hot like it's been, but that bucket should be going any second. All right, as I'm sitting here watching it, it actually doesn't fill up, doesn't pour water all the time. It basically stagnates it, but this isn't really a bucket thing. This is more of a Dippin' Dots. And back here they also have a Dippin' Dots, which isn't open today, but you can grab yourself some Dippin' Dots ice cream on Saturdays. So back here there are 2 things to eat during the weekend that you can kick back and enjoy as you wait for this 1, 2, 3 splash Count Castle bucket to finally drop. All right, we're heading back to the front of the park here, and we already talked about the snacks and beverages over here, but there's actually another snacks and beverages here. So I guess when it gets really busy, they actually have 2 of them, and it looks like they have pretty much the same menu here. This one has pretzels, but they all have the street bucket of popcorn, free refills all day of the purchase. Here they actually have some bottled beer. So if you do need to get a drink while you're here at Sesame Place, you actually can get a beer here, Bud Light, Budweiser, and Yingling. But pretty much this is a nice little snack area here. But I guess it's a snack bar and technically also a bar. But right in front of the water park, right in front of the Sunny Day Carousel. All right, we are back at the water park, and right across from the Abbey Paradise Theater where they have shows, they actually have a Cookie Monster's Funnel Cakes and More. Now, yet again, it's a Thursday, so it basically became a stroller lot, if you could tell. But this is a place where you can actually grab some funnel cakes, especially when you're there to check out the show. There's stroller parking over there, but it looks like stroller parking kind of took over everywhere. But like I said, we show you every stand if it's open or not. And here is pretty much the funnel cakes, Cookie Monster's funnel cakes. All right, so Playground 1, 2, 3 Playground. They got all the different food areas here, but here you actually have a, for lack of a better word, a weenie wagon here that has Nathan's. And one of the newer things they have the personal pizzas, which are new, but they also have here the footlongs that are also new. So for $12.69, or if you want chips, you might as well get $13.69 to get the chips. You can get a footlong. You can also get specialty dogs and stuff like that. But they also have one of my favorite things, which are drumsticks. So in the on the weekend, this should be open, and you can grab yourself a hot dog right in front of the main attraction, which is Sesame Place neighborhood. All right, yet again, we're back here at the 1, 2, 3 Playground, and right in front of the Elmo World, they actually have a Elmo's Pizza Kitchen. So right across from Big Bird's Burgers, here you got Elmo's Pizza Kitchen. So we're gonna go inside here real quick here and show you pretty much everything that you want. What I like about where the playground is, you actually have right over there's a water park, over here is Elmo's World, and right here is Cookies Monsterland. So you got all the different places all in one area. So let's go over here real quick and show you what they have here at the pizza shop. Thank you. All right, so you can also mobile order like you did before, but here they have pepperoni flatbread pizza, cheesy pizza, gluten-free pizza, with the chicken tenders, and footlong hot dogs are also found here. So yet again, you order over here, and like I said, it's mostly flatbread pizza. You get your beverages, and they got seating here, and they have a whole seating area up there, and then over here they've got for the mobile pickup. So if you're using a mobile app, you can grab your stuff there. So I do like the fact that they actually have two different mobiles. They have a mobile area and they have a standby area. But yet again, this is Eating Together is Terrific over here at Elmo's Pizza Parlor. All right, we're back here. We're gonna make this a little bit brighter because it is a cloudy day. But right by Trader Bert's, it looks like there's a food area here, but it looks like this has pretty much been closed down. I do like the fact that it's like right up against the lazy river, which I love. But coming over here, this is mostly a mobile pickup here, but it was Rosettas Con Carne. So, but it looks like it's been pretty much closed down most of the year. When I talked to people, they said it hasn't really opened this year, but there are restrooms back here. And like I said, you can't get a better view of the lazy river, to be honest with you. So, you know, don't know if it's going to be open again this year. It looks like a giant location, so I'm surprised it's not open, it's not in motion there. And then also, like I said, when you're this close to the lazy river, that'll be kind of cool. But yet again, we show you if they're open or not. And it seems like this year, Rosetta's Con Carne is actually been closed this year. All right, who doesn't like a food truck? So right before you get into the Sesame neighborhood, they actually have a local eats here for funnel cakes, which is a nice little food truck here. So you actually can get powdered sugar for $13.69, bottled water, 2 bottles for $8.50 here. But it literally is a food truck, which is right along the main drag here, right by the water park and stuff like that. So right by the boat, welcome aboard. They actually have We Are Monsters Foodies, and Nom Nom in New York. So that's kind of cool here. But it is a nice little food truck here that you can actually enjoy and get yourself some funnel cake. All right, the one thing about Sesame Place, we're over here in Cookies Monsterland here. They're not lying. Cookies Sometimes Anytime Food Market. So this is open when it's a busier day. And it's nestled right over here, right by the entrance to the area. You got Haagen-Dazs, you got popcorn, stuff like that. This is where you can actually get turkey legs, which I thought was kind of neat. Lollipops for $5, cotton candy for $10, and stuff like that. I love the name though, Cookies Sometimes Anytime Food Market. So they're literally telling you that it's a busy day, they're going to open it. If it's not a busy day, and people aren't really hanging out there in the Monster Clubhouse, they're not going to open it up there. So, but there is sometimes food in this area with Cookies Monsterland. with the cookies, sometimes anytime food market, right by a giant cookie jar, so kind of nice. But yeah, that's another food court that's open during the weekends. So there you go, all the different places you can eat when you visit Sesame Place Philadelphia. So what place caught your eye there? Were you interested in just some snacks, or are you looking for a full meal? Let us know in the comments section. And remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching us show you all the different food options you have over here at Sesame Place Philadelphia. And we can't wait to see you in the queue in 2024.